Hi, let's go through in this video how to compare and read data you have entered into your group. So here I have the team red we just made in the previous video. I just click on it and I have all the players. I added a few other ones which I want to compare. Let's say I want to compare Alice and Frank and Igor, and I want to compare them with the team average as well. So I just tick those and click on compare. Here if I want to take out one of the tests, I can just untick that, but I want to keep all 9 now in. I'm just going to go ahead and click on compare. Okay, now what it does, it generates a PDF and it's just going to ask me in a couple of seconds that where I want to save it. For the first PDF, it takes slightly longer to generate, but after a while it gets used to it, and the second ones are much faster. So if you want to go through this with your team, it doesn't take this long. So let's find out where I have Gefig here. Just create a new folder for myself. Player PDF. Just create that, and I'm gonna save this name as player, and there you go. Okay, in a few seconds it's gonna say it's done. And there you go, done. So I'll open the PDF itself. Here it is. So let's see how it looks like. Here you go. So here I have the non-comparable figures I put in age, weight, height, and mood. So I see Alice is 21, Frank's 22, Igor is 21. Their weight, their height, and their mood. Here I see their results, and here I see the team average. It's not the average of these players, but the whole team is taken into consideration here. So I see that the average is just over 3,280, and that Alice is above it, Frank's slightly under it, and Igor is above it. So let's go on to the following page, and here I see this radar chart or spider chart displayed, and here I see the tests, and I see who has run how. The average is in yellow, and the further away from the middle, the better the result. The closer to the middle of the circle, the worse the result is. The worst results in the middle are team results, and the best ones out here are the best of the team, not of these three, but of the team itself. So let's say, for example, Cooper 1, Alice runs slightly higher than the team average. Frank and Igor are under team average. So here, Igor is running better than the team average, the second Cooper, but Alice is way back at the end of the pack. And the average is much better in the third Cooper than any of these three. Then we can go on like that all around. Also, if we just want to monitor one, let's say Frank, we start up here. Frank's under the team average in Cooper 1, among the worst in Cooper 2 and Cooper 3, and 100 meters 1, slightly above the worst, but amongst the worst, slightly under the average in 100 meters 2 run, top of the pack and 100 meters 3rd run, one of the fastest, but dropping down for 30 meters again. So what I would tell Frank is, for some reason his 3rd run is always the fastest of the three, except for Cooper, of course. But these figures were just examples, so shouldn't take them too serious. Okay, that's how you run the comparison, and that's how you understand or interpret these figures. The PDFs are free to mail, so you can mail these to your players. But let's just check one more possibility. So come back here and just go back a bit. And this time I'm just going to untick the players. I'm just going to choose one, let's say Henrik. I'm going to compare Henrik to the team best and to the team worst and to the team average, meaning that this PDF is just going to have the data for Henrik, and I can share it with him without him knowing who runs how. Let's say compare. Yeah, take all the tests into consideration. Compare. Okay, it generates the PDF in the background. In the former video I noted that this might be slightly faster on the Windows operating system because of Java, but under a Mac it doesn't take too long either. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and save in the same location. Henrik. Save. I'm done. Okay, here we go to PDF, so let's see what Henrik has done. Okay, team red. Henrik, age, weight, height, wood was good. Here are his results. Here are the team best, the team worst, the average for each test, and we scroll down, we see how he has performed against the team average. So he's slightly under team average here in Cooper 1, Cooper 2 team average, Cooper 3 above team average. His 30 meters for first and second are really high, way above team average. 100 meters third, slightly above team average. Now this is something that you can improve on. The long-term running, the short-term running, the explosiveness is quite okay. Okay, so that's for data comparison and reading. Hope you liked it and feel free to discover. Bye.